How to see WhatsApp broadcast list info on Android. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To start off, launch your WhatsApp application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in. Select your broadcast channel. Then tap on the three-dot icon at the top. Then select broadcast list info. In here, you will find every information of your broadcast channel. You can add recipient and change your broadcast list name by tapping on the three dot. To create a new broadcast channel, tap on the three dot, then select New Broadcast. Then add recipient in your broadcast channel. And that is how you can easily see your WhatsApp broadcast list. If you do not have this feature, check out your Play Store or App Store. Search for WhatsApp. Tap on the application, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. Secondly, press and hold on to your application and go to App Info. Force stop it, go to Storage and Cache, and clear up the cache. This will help to fix the bug issue as well. You can also check for your phone setting to look for your system update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest versions of your WhatsApp. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in.